Hey guys, Chris with Smile Mile Painting, and we are here at the 2020 Spring Home and Garden Show. We are here tonight till 7. We're here tomorrow from 10 to 7 on Saturday, and then we're here from 10 to 4 on Sunday. And you're gonna wanna come out because we are giving a home show discount for your painting project. So come talk to me, come talk to Zach to find out what that discount is. Also, you can sign up to win a free Traeger. Who doesn't want a Traeger? So I think you should come out here, bring a can of food. It takes $1 off of your admission fee, and come check us out. We'll be here all weekend.